So yes, so magnetic flux I will be representing by phi, and formula for that same way, the way we find electric flux, B dot ds. ds is the surface area around a surface. When we integrate it, then we get the net flux. And special case out of that will be when B is constant. If B is constant, then I will be just able to write like this, B dot ds integral, which I can further write as
BA cos theta.
B into dot s vector, complete s vector, that is just B into A cos theta if you want to represent A, or your choice. If you want to represent A, then it will become BA cos theta, right? For example, if I have a one, this is one special case. Somebody may think that in that case we used to do something like this also, closed surface integral. What will happen if I take closed surface integral here for magnetic flux? That will be just zero, because the magnetic field lines, they always form closed loop. So let us say these yellow lines are the magnetic field lines. So whatever magnetic field line is in the space, that will always be forming closed loop. And if it is forming closed loop, then those will be entering as well as leaving the closed surface area. This is closed surface area. So in this closed surface, this white surface area, in this white surface area, the field lines are entering, yellow lines, and those are leaving also. They will not just enter and not leave. So around the closed surface, always the B dot ds value will come out to be zero. This is something which is not in electrostatics. It is unique to magnetic field. Okay. Other than that, nearly same only. The way we find the electric flux, same way we will find out the magnetic flux by using the similar formula, B into A into cos theta when B is constant. When not constant, then we have to do the integral. Although mostly we will be interested in this situation only. Anyway, why are we interested in knowing magnetic flux? What does it do? Where does it help us? That also we should understand now. So, and how to find area, that all those things will be same only. Just a quick review I can take for those also. Let us say I want to find out area vector. If it is given A1, A vector given A, B, C, these 3 points are given, their position vectors are known to us. Then I think you know that this will be AB vector, this will be BC vector, then area vector will be AB cross BC upon 2, that is the area of triangle. So if somebody is asking what is the magnetic flux through this, then we will find this way, B dot half of AB cross BC, that is the magnetic flux through the triangle. Flux through triangle ABC, that it will be. Somebody may ask this question of that, is it valid when it is a plane surface area, or if it is not a plane surface area, then also it is valid? Tell me whether it is plane surface required or not plane, then also valid. Just the boundary of surface should be like this. The boundary should be this triangle. After that, you can blow a bubble from this boundary and you can form the surface which is coming bulging out like this. You understood what I'm saying here? Means this surface may be bulging out. We don't care. As long as the boundary remains the same, as long as the boundary is ABC, then the magnetic flux will remain B dot half of AB cross BC. That will be the magnetic flux passing through it. Okay. Right. Now,
Sir, one stop previous question. I will take snapshot.
I don't know you this diagram, although I try to make it clear, but it appears, now I am looking at it and it appears as if the magnetic field lines are below the surface. These are not below the surface. These are passing through the surface. These are entering the surface from one side and leaving the surface on the other side. Let me make it a little better. If you want to take a snapshot, then it should be clear now. It is coming here from one side and then entering into the surface and then leaving from the other side. Think like that. This is how it is happening. So overall, the flux entering is equal to flux leaving, entering and leaving. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next, this, what other cases I took when I took flux? I think you remember I took flux due to all different cases, like what is the flux to the ring element, or what is through the disk, what will be flux to the maybe different shapes I took. All those cases may be valid in this case. I can give you some fields and I can ask you to find out the flux. For example, let us say field is given as 2 I cap plus 3 j cap, that is the field, and we want to find out flux through maybe this hemisphere. Find out the flux to the curved surface of the hemisphere. Find out the flux to the curved surface of the hemisphere if it is given that it has radius r and this is kept on x z plane at the origin with y axis vertical. Find out the flux to the curved surface. How to find the flux to the curved surface? As I told you before, first of all, we can take a that will be yes, that will be same as due to onto the plane surface. So just we have to find in the plane surface. If I have to now find in the plane base, if I take the base of it, then on that base, what is the area vector? Area vector will come out to be pi r square direction along either j cap or minus j. That doesn't matter because we know area can have vectors one side or the other side. Okay. So now you tell me what will be the value of flux. Take the dot product, simple. I dot j 0, j dot j 1. So what answer we are getting? That is the magnetic flux, 3 into pi r square, simple. Let us take a slightly more complicated case. If I have a vertical wire, current carrying wire, which carries current in upward direction. I value current, and what is the magnetic flux due to this? Through a, what should I give you now? Let me think. Through a square which is lying in the same plane. Number 1 case, and the near end is at a distance maybe x, and the square is of dimension a by a. First case, case 1, find the flux through this. Second case,
so they are in same plane, sir.
They are in the same plane. Same plane. Okay, which are in the same plane? The square plate as well as the current carrying wire. Both are in same plane, and current carrying wire is carrying from minus infinity to plus infinity. Second case, I can take as maybe now you can imagine different shapes. I can ask questions. Now, first I took example of uniform magnetic field. When magnetic field is uniform, it is very simple. So I took just one example for that. But now I'm taking example when magnetic field is variable. And for the current carrying wire, everybody knows, I think, that the magnetic field varies. Therefore, for this we are taking now second case. These are very special cases, these two cases. And these will have two different answers. Again, x, let us say, somebody is making a lot of noise, please mute yourself. B, H, this is at a distance x. The line B is perpendicular to the current carrying wire. B line is perpendicular to the current carrying wire. Again, this is in same plane. So these two cases are different cases. So I have to find for both of these. This is 90-degree angle here. This is also 90-degree angle here, right? And height is h, B is the base. Again, current carrying wire carries the current equal to I. Here also carries current I, and this is case number 2, case number 3. Then one more case left. That also is different, and we will take that one also. Wait a second. This time I will take a circle. If possible, keep finding out answers also. For example, at least first one you can find out, and you just keep on noting the diagrams as well. Question number 1, 2, 3, 3 cases done. Number 4 case. This is the fourth case where the current is going this side again, and radius is r. And what I want to take now, maybe this time I'm giving up to center the distance as x. Okay, because normally when we say circles, then we are mainly interested in the distance up to the center. Let us say that is given to us as x. So what will be the flux in all these previous cases? These are all, I'm taking simple cases. In all these, the wire is in the same plane. I can take other cases also where wire will not be in the
For
same
first
plane.
one, mu naught IA by 2
mu naught IA by 2 pi into log of x plus a by x.
Log somehow things I feel right only, because log only we will be getting, but everybody should know. So therefore, let me do it for everyone. This element we should take, small element within this. Draw this diagram now with me, and if possible, draw in solution separately. Don't mix the diagram of the question. And now take some distance from the wire up to this as r distance, right? So I can take this width of this as dr. What will be the area of this green color element, dA element? That area will be simply a into dr. I think, right? And magnetic field in this will be in which direction? First, let us see the direction of magnetic field. I think if I hold the wire by my hand,
Cross,
then
sir.
yes, the field will be coming in minus cross, 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 entering into it, cross. So area vector also I can take inverse only, because area is perpendicular to this. I can take area vector inverse. So what I get then? Then I will be getting simply, I think 2k into I by r, that is a magnetic field, into area into A into dr, that is a magnetic flux. Now integrating this, we get the flux. K is equal to, you know what is K here? K is mu naught by 4 pi. Then 2 into K into I outside. 1 by A is also outside, because all constants only. Limits of r varies from x to x plus a, right? Smallest distance x and the farthest distance x plus a. So I think log of x plus a by x.
X.
You told this only or something else you told?
This only, sir.
Then exactly right, you told. Exactly right. This only we should be getting. Those who are getting this, they got it right already. This is what we should be getting. Similarly, those who are not understanding this, they think about this only first, understand it properly, and if you have understood it, then you can move on to the next question. Now there are other questions pending for you. You can start solving those problems. So I hope you understood this part. This case was previous question case. Right. Then next case is slightly more complicated than this. Reason is element is off. We can do it also very easily. If I take this angle as theta here, take this angle as theta once, and then I think we are ready to go. I'm giving you time to do yourself. By the time I'm arranging these diagrams, I expect some of you to get the answer at least. And those who are not getting, they just want to see how I will be doing. Okay, let us see whether you got it right or not. dB is equal to 2k into I current divided by, again, R. Let me take this distance from here to here is R into this is I into what about this height here? This height will be, let us say it is Y height. Then I can say area will become, I think, Y into dr. So this will be, sorry, I am taking already flux now, total flux, because B also taken, area also taken, and these are already at 0 degree angle with each other. I am assuming the angle to be 0 degree. Then I will just take like this only. Both are along minus k cap. Area vector, my choice. I want to take it upwards or inwards. I want to, otherwise also we are interested in magnitude of the flux. Direction of where we already know. So I think this should give us answer if I put the limits properly and I change y in terms of y, I should change in terms of r. How to change y in terms of r? There are different ways to do this.
B minus x by y equals to b by h.
I think you know
B
this
plus
length.
x minus r.
This
into
length is
tan
b plus
B minus
x
r.
X minus r.
minus r. That, and y, if I observe this right angle triangle here, then this into tan theta will give us equal to y, because y upon this thing means y upon this is equal to tan theta in this triangle here. So yes, right, this is correct only. So we can use it here, and don't worry about x and b are not troublesome at all. Why? X and b are just
Constant.
constants. Somebody may have given this also to us. Maybe in the question itself we can assume it to be given, and they may have given this distance to be something, maybe x dash, but that x dash is already nothing but simply x plus b. So right, 2 is not troublesome. 2 taken out, k taken out, I taken out. Y can be written as this constant minus r into tan theta. Tan theta is also outside because it is also simply constant only into tan theta. Now we are left with variables. What are the variables left after this? What are the variables left?
x minus r by r
B plus x minus r divided by r.
B plus,
into dr.
wait a second, B plus x you are saying, right?
Yes, sir. B plus x minus r upon r.
By r.
Yes, I think you're right only. So integral, I can put integral into what you said, B plus
B
x.
plus x
B plus x.
minus r.
This r only mainly variable here, into dr. Other things are all constants only. Divided by r. This r is r in the denominator also. These are variables. So these things we have to take care of. Remaining all are constants only. Limits of r goes from, we know r goes from x to b plus x. Anyway, what is the value of flux coming out to be? Tell me at last. Integrate this if you are able to integrate. It is not tough integration, I think, because so many terms are just constants only. So let me keep it here. This will be equal to, this whole thing is just one constant. I will not even use it here. I will just see what happens to my integral, and let us write integral separately. The integral becomes b plus x by r into dr integral minus of dr integral, limits going from x to b plus x, and here limits going from, I think again same, x to b plus x. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is okay. Now, once I know the integral, then I can get the answer. Now you please just tell me the answer at last. I think after this you can definitely do it yourself only.
2 ki tan theta into.
So finally, phi you are telling me directly right now. phi will be equal
Yes,
to
sir. 2ki tan theta into
ki tan theta into
x plus b into
x,
bracket open, sir. Big one.
x plus b into x plus bracket. This whole multiplied by x plus b whole again
B
multiplied by
into log
ln
Sir, not whole again, sir. Only for x plus b log of x plus b by x
x plus b by x minus b.
minus b.
minus
B.
b. I think this this whole thing is outside, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Right on, right on. This is the flux. So somewhat, obviously, little bit calculative. Now I cannot say it is very simple, but at the same time not tough also. If you know the integration, you can get the answer easily. Okay. Somewhat calculative, but not that tough. It is simple only. We can do it. This is flux. So now you should be able to do it yourself also in the examination. Next, what about the other triangle? This other triangle, somebody will think that it is same only. Where is the difference? But it creates a difference actually. It is different scenario.
For distant parts are lengthy.
That is why it creates more. It is creating a difference. Means here, as we are close, then there is more height, and here as we are going away, then the height is increasing. So yes, somewhat different scenario. So we don't expect the same. Don't expect same answer. Answer should be different. Although
H by B equal
now we can get its
y
answer very
by
fast
r
also.
minus x.
If you want to use result number 1 and result number 2, then by these two results I can produce the result number 3. How? By
3
subtracting
plus 2 equal to 1.
from the in the last time
Subtracting.
I got for the rectangle. This is I can get for a rectangle for this. If I have to get for the rectangle, then I will write 2ki h. Then it will become for the rectangle. And then after knowing that, then I will be able to convert, and this b a will become b here. So I will write 2ki h into log of x plus b by x. That is for this. This minus the new flux which I obtained here for this triangle part, then that will be the remaining flux. We can do that also, but I don't suggest you that. Reason is, who will remember the formula? So we should be able to derive these in the examination only. So why don't we derive here also? Let us do it and derive it here only. Theta angle now. And this time this length will be just, what will be now? I think I can take r up to this. Up to this I can take as r. Then this will be r minus x. And this height y of this part here will be equal to this times tan theta will be equal to y. Understood? R minus x into tan theta will be equal to y. Right or not? Let me write it separately. R minus x into tan theta is equal to y. That is this thing we are getting. This was r minus x distance up to. Okay, wait a second. Okay, no need to write. I think you know already what does it mean. Now, again start with the integral. What is the integral of flux? D phi integral of flux is equal to 2k into I by r by r into r minus x tan theta. R minus x by r. Tan theta can be taken out, although tan theta can be taken out into tan theta. This into dx. Now solve it and get the answer from here. Limits Here r will vary again same way. R will vary from x to b plus x. What do we get now? Flux. Flux is equal to, obtain it for yourself and then tell me the result.
Two ki tan theta into
2ki tan theta into
b minus x into log x plus b by x.
seems right only. Is it right? Somebody verify.
Yes, sir. Right on.
Yes, sir. Same only.
Sir.
Right only. So we got the result finally. Everybody can write it down. Can you tell it once again? 2k into I tan
Tan
theta
theta
into
into b minus x into
b minus
X
x into log
b
of
minus
x plus b by x.
log of b plus x by
log of
X b plus x by x.
okay b plus x by x. That only.
ln is
only for x, sir.
Only
Only
for
for
x,
x.
sir.
Bracket.
Okay, understood. Bracket is only for x. Sorry, this p is not. This is the bracket only for x. Right then, this only at last. So and what about
Sir,
this?
again
This
whole another bracket.
this whole this another bracket for the whole.
Yes, sir.
Right. This only we are getting. So somewhat, is it somewhat related to the square or somewhat different? How much different and how much related? 2ki b, 2ki b. I am thinking it as a b into log of x plus b by 2ki b. B tan theta I can write as h, and x is x only. 2ki x.
tan theta h by b.
Sir, tan theta h by b, sir.
Tan theta is h by b, so b we will cancel. I can write it as 2ki h, means after multiplying by b. After multiplying by b, I can write it as 2ki h, right? After multiplying by b, inside if I multiply by b, means this way I want to write 2ki into h minus 2ki into x tan theta into log of. Is that right or not?
Yes, sir.
Right only, I think.
Yes, sir. Correct only.
Correct only. Okay, so from this we are getting the answer. Once we know for these shapes, one shape is still remaining. This shape is pending. We have not done for this one. Square, circle. Let us bring it to the next page. There we will do it. Yes, now you do this one, last one. Not last, in fact, we have several other cases pending, but okay, for the time being, this is our last case remaining. After that, let me draw few other diagrams. By that time, you attempt it, please. You attempt it yourself. By that time, let me make few other diagrams, some other questions. All of determining same thing. Flux only we want to determine this in this class properly. If you have practiced to
Sir,
determine
not
flux,
audible. Sir,
Not
no,
audible?
not audible, sir.
why is it not audible? I'm in the same place, same
Audible,
location, using same device.
Audible only, sir.
Audible, right? So I and
Sir, not audible properly, sir.
change your location. IX. And otherwise also nothing is required to
No
be audible.
audible.
Listen, nothing is required to be audible. I'm showing these diagrams. At least you solve this one, and I'm making few more questions by that time. By that time, you will be attempting the fourth one. Okay. By that time, let me make few other questions also. This is y-axis. Anybody who got the answer for the last question? Can you hear me?
Sir, integration difficult for the last question, sir.
No, this is tough question, slightly tough question. I expect the integration to be tough only, but still try. Somewhat it will be tough, I understand. And because you have already done the integration, no, you should not be discouraged by such questions onwards. Your integration is already over. You have completed it in maths also. So now there should not be any cause of worry. I'm trying to make this diagram properly, but I don't know if you understand or not. Solution diagram.
Sir,
Yes.
last question. 4k IR square into ln of x plus r by x minus r cos.
Okay. Let us see once
Yes.
whether it is right or not. And by that time, other students pay attention on this question, which I am trying to make here. So the question is that it is given that flux through this triangle is given as phi. That is given. But they are asking to find out the flux through the yellow triangle. Given phi through the triangle, phi through A, B, C, find phi through A dash, B dash, C dash. No, wait a second, this thing is not right. Sorry, coordinates I have to change for ABC. How to ask this question? It is not able to frame properly. Okay, I wait a second. I will frame it later on. For the time being, I'm leaving it. I'm not able to frame it right now here properly. It is. Anyway, see this question once. In this, if I take a element, how to take the elements? I can take elements in different ways. I think vertical elements only is better.
Vertical elements only we should take, sir.
Vertical only better. If I because in vertical elements, the magnetic field in this distance up to this distance will be constant. This only is better. Therefore, R. Now integrate. How to integrate this? That again, you have to think properly.
Circle equation.
Equation of circle.
Yes.
So you want to take this as origin.
No, sir, that line. Center x comma 0, sir.
Center you want to take at x comma 0, right? X comma
And
0 is the center.
that one is the y-axis. Current carrying.
Current carrying wire is along the y-axis. That is correct.
Circle equation, we get y, 2y equals to length of that strip.
2y into length of that strip.
No, sir. 2y is equal to length of that strip, sir. We can write in terms of theta, sir. There.
I can say this is y. If I take this to be x-axis, then I can say y 2y into length. Length will be dr. 2y into dr. That is the area dA. And 2ki by r as always. Into 2 will come from inside also into 2. Y into dr by r integral. Right?
Sir,
Yes.
so for calculating area, we have to take r d theta slant length, no, sir.
No. My God, why are you being mistaken? Don't do that. This with the width. If you take this dr width, And on the other hand, if you take, let's say this angle is theta here. On the other hand, if you take dr by sine theta width, then you are making a lot of difference. But if you are taking dr width and you are ignoring the small triangle parts at the edges, then what difference you will be making? Negligible difference.
Yes, sir.
We should take dr only. We should not take dr by sine theta.
Okay.
We should take that only. Then that case is different. What you are thinking? You are thinking as if I am calculating the surface area on the sphere. We are not calculating on the sphere. We are calculating this area on the disk itself. So that was a
Okay.
different case. Okay. Now 4ki into y into dr upon r. How to do?
So if we take theta near x comma 0 point,
Yes, sir.
then-
We should take theta near x comma 0.
Then in
then
terms
we
of
can
that,
get
you want to
to
write.
a relation between y
Sir,
and
then
r.
we can write r in terms of capital R, sir. Smaller in terms of
Some
capital R,
students-
and y also in terms of capital
This is
R.
also preference. You know, some students will prefer to do like this only. They will not worry there what is happening here. They will just write equation of circle after this and they will start solving. But yes, I also recommend to take theta. Theta will be better, I think so. Let us take theta. If I take theta, then I get y as, y can be written as r sine theta.
Take it
Sir,
as
indicate radius is capital R, sir.
Oh, there are two r's otherwise, right?
Yes, sir.
You are right only. Radius I should not take small r. Radius I should take capital R only. Yes, exactly right. Capital R. So this will be capital R into sine theta. Now we will do it by putting the value of capital R here, and also small r also I should put something. Small r I will put this way. If I know the distance up to the center is given as x,
X minus r
Then-
sine r cos theta.
I can say small r is equal to x minus capital R cos theta. That also I will put here dr. Dr I will be getting x minus r into derivative of cos is sine theta minus sine theta into sine
Sir, dr equal to capital R into sine theta d theta, sir.
capital R into sine theta into d theta. Dx will become 0 because these three things we have to put in this integral, and then forget the outside part. Outside part is simple only 4ki. Just now worry about the integral, and by substituting these values in this integral, just get the integral value only. Limits of theta you can put from 0 to 2 pi, or you can take 0 to pi first and then multiply by 2.
Sir, we already multiplied by 2, sir. We should take.
Then 0 to pi is enough because we already multiplied by 2. You are right only, sorry. We already multiplied by 2 because we took 2y, no? We took 2y. If we take y, then it is different thing, but we are taking already 2y. Then yes, it is 2. In that case, we should take just theta varying from 0 to pi, and that will be enough. So do it now. What integration we get? Let us check once. In the next page, I will write it. Just tell me what integral this is. Y into dr by r. Okay. What is the value of? You can see it from here, and you can tell me what values. Or maybe wait a second. I will bring it to the next page only, if possible. I will try. I will take this whole thing to the next page. So right. What next? Next we can write 4ki into y is r. 1 r comes from y, 1 r comes from dr, 1. These two r's are coming here only. So r square taken out. Inside
R
we are left
square
with
sine square theta.
Sine
Sine
square theta d theta upon
Sine square theta d theta.
sine
upon
square theta d theta
X minus r cos theta.
x minus r cos theta.
minus r cos theta. If I put x minus r cos theta as some unknown, then do we get from there? No. What to do after this? We will substitute cos. We will apply tan theta. We will write it in terms of tan theta. That will be better. or if we write it as z, then dz is equal to minus, no, dr, or sorry, it was r only. Why I'm doing that again? We don't want to convert it back into r terms. Can we integrate this directly now?
Sir, use the integration for this one, sir. Stuck here only.
You cannot do the integration.
Not getting, sir.
1 minus cos square theta. Then we can write 1 upon this minus cos square theta upon this, which will be not useful again. But by cos square theta, then 1 plus minus. If I integrate this only without substituting into that, what do we get here? R's. I think I need to make some choices first of all. Let me go back. If I would have taken this center as origin, then would it be easier for me? No, then also I have to take that limit.
Same type of integration only we get, sir.
Same
Then
type of integration. If I take at least equation of the circle, equation of the circle will be x minus wait a second, if I want to write,
X1.
I have to take then up to center, I don't have to take x, then I have to call it something else, x naught maybe. Up to center the distance I should call as x naught. X minus x naught whole square plus y minus 0 square is equal to r square. If I do that, then I get y as r square minus, not helpful again.
Sir, then also we are getting similar integration only, sir.
Means final result is same only, right? Whatever we do, it will be same result only.
Sir.
So we have to integrate this only at last. So the thing is, don't you know this integration? Let me check once if I can do it. At maximum I can do this. If I do that, then also not too much. If I am writing this denominator as r, dr by r, then I am left with one sin theta term here. Sin theta will be what here? I am substituting x minus r cos theta as r back, and sin theta will come out to be equal to, cos theta will come out to be equal to r minus x by r. Sin theta will be obtained from here. Sin theta is coming out to be r square minus r minus r minus x square divided by r under the root. This integral, can we do it, or is it also that much stuff only?
This is same as when we take equation and write, sir.
No, that I understand, but I'm thinking, is it okay, or is it also tough? It is also tough.
That's
Not getting anything, huh? Okay, I will see what is the integration for this and I will tell you afterwards. Right now, I'm not getting idea how to do the integration. If I take half angle formula also we apply sometimes. We convert cos theta in terms of tan theta by using half
tan
angle.
theta,
But it will not be useful, I think, here because it is also not
Sir,
sin
write
theta. It
sin
is
square theta as 1 minus
1 minus cos 2 theta by 2.
1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. If I do that, then I will be getting one term is okay, 1 upon this. Second term is cos 2 theta by this thing x minus r cos theta. Again, again that is there only. Okay, I will tell you how to do. Leave it for the time being. Otherwise, also if integration is too tough and it is maybe it is not integrable, then this otherwise also will not be required.
sir, write sin square theta,
Sin square theta is
right? 1 minus cos square theta, sir.
yes, I wrote it. Then
Take b b sir, b square common out from denominator. Sir. B.
from denominator I have taken r out. Or r you are saying, right?
Yes, sir.
R I have taken out. Then
R. Yes, sir. R.
Then we get x by r minus cos theta in the denominator. X by r minus cos theta. Then what?
Sir, no, sir.
Okay, no problem. Leave it. I will tell it after some time when I will be getting answer. Then we can see some other questions. In the last question, let me clarify at least what I wanted to tell in that. Some question can be framed in such a way that there is some triangle. If I do one thing, if I take every point on it and if I rotate it, although that will not form a triangle, it will be, I think, giving us some other shape probably, whatever shape that will be finally forming at ABC. If I rotate all these points, by rotating these points and transforming them into a one plane, then the flux obtained through this and through that will come out to be same. If I rotate these, because if I take, for example, if I'm taking one wire and if I'm rotating it in this direction, then it will never cut the magnetic field lines. Then whatever magnetic field lines are in the right side of this wire, those will continue to be, what are in the outward direction of this, radial outwards in this, from this, those will remain radial outwards only. So if I rotate this, then by rotating, we will not be able to make the field lines cross through these wires. So in that case, in whichever plane we shift it, but magnetic flux will not change. Magnetic flux will again remain same only. We can think, or if you are not understanding this, we can understand in this way. These are the triangle. For example, this is the square. If I start rotating square with angular velocity omega, will the magnetic flux change? No, it will not change. Will it change? If I rotate this square with angular velocity omega about the axis, wherever the square goes, but it will still remain in the plane of the ring, plane of the wire, and then the magnetic flux through it will remain exactly same. It does not change. Do you get my point or not?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is what I was trying to show from those diagrams, but I was not able to do it properly. But it is just this rotation does not change the flux if rotating about the same axis. That is what I wanted to tell in that. Anyway, next. Next we can have some other examples of flux we can take, or maybe rather than taking flux, I can take we can ask such questions also, where B is constant. Okay, now let us discuss about flux. I think enough. Some other questions will be still pending on flux. Those we can do later on, no problem. And
Sir, not in same plane.
not in same plane case, we did not do, I think. Did we? This
We
was
did.
same plane, same plane, same plane only. Okay. Not in same plane case will be like this. If I take this wire here and let us take now one square how this is kept, I have to tell it properly first to be able to do, so that you are able to do it. Let me make first xy plane. This is x-axis, this is our this is x-axis, this is our y-axis, and this is our z-axis. Current is going along z-axis. Sorry, this is our z-axis and this is our y-axis. Current is going along y-axis. Now we can take one this type of rectangular lamina, rectangular sheet, h height parallel to y-axis, b width parallel to z-axis. What is the flux passing through this? If it is at a distance from x, the distance is given as what you want to say, this a distance is a from the x-axis. Let us say this point is at a comma 0 comma 0, means this point you can find out what are its coordinates. It has coordinates a comma 0 comma b. This will have coordinates a comma h comma 0. This rectangular lamina, what flux passes through this rectangular lamina? That is a question.
Sir, 0, sir.
Not 0, Mike. Not
B bar and area vector are perpendicular.
not
Yes,
perpendicular.
sir.
No.
So they are not perpendicular.
They are not. And moreover, B is, how are you saying B as if B is uniform? These guys are saying as if B is uniform. First of all, B is also not in one particular direction, and area vector is always in one particular direction only for this whole. It is a plane area. For this area vector, any element area you take in this, all will be pointing, all area vectors will be pointing in the same direction. How are you even saying that? I don't understand.
Yes, sir. B is also constant, sir.
How is B constant? B is in circular
As
loops.
A is constant.
I God, what is this?
Sir,
B
for
is,
every element, perpendicular distance is A only, no, sir.
how it is A? This distance will become, what will be this distance if it is placed parallel to it? It will be, I think, A square plus B square under the root.
Root of a square plus
A
b
square plus B square under the root. How the distances are same? Tell me. How are you imagining the distances to be same? Say something.
Yes, sir.
So as I told you before, what I will do now, I will rotate. What I will rotate? I will rotate this line and this point here, and I will turn it into a new this blue plate, which is lying in the same plane as YZ XY plane. In this plane, I will turn it. That is what I wanted to say, that we can turn in such a way. How to turn? I will turn that this radius. What was its radius? Its radius is a square plus b square under the root. So here also it will land where? It will be at a distance of these points, point number A and point number, let us say it is B. These points A dash and B dash will be at a distance of same distance. Their distances are not changing. A square plus b square under the root distance. So what will be the dimensions of this plate now? This plate will be
B changes to root over s.
this length will become now, means I can say, I can take it like previous case as we have done before such cases. Now I told at that time that it changes from x to x plus a, but now it is not changing from x to x plus a. Now it is changing from a to a square plus b square under the root, and the height is h.
B. H.
Height was given b or h?
H, sir.
H only was given. H. Height is h. So this case now. So now it is same as before. Understood? Did you get this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. then we can write the answer for this. Okay, right. Next we have, means same thing we can do if it is not a square also. If it is a triangle, maybe I can make a triangle. I can take two points on the triangle. I will take here. One point I will take somewhere in different plane. What I will do now? I will take this point here, but not only this point. All the points on this wire should be at the same distance from the axis of this, from which the current is flowing. That distance should keep same, and we should turn it. So I think by doing that, I will be able to transform it into a triangle or not. I don't think I will be getting a triangle. No, I will be getting some other twisted shape, it seems. Or will it still be a triangle? Let me check once. If I take this length and turn it. What do you think? Will it be a circle only? Sorry, will it be straight line only or not? I think it will not be a straight line now. If I take a triangle and I turn it there. Or will it, wait a second. No, this point,
Yes,
why
sir. It could turn into a straight line.
it will be straight line only. Let me check
Yes,
once.
sir.
If I take this cylinder here and another cylinder here, these elements. If it is straight line only, then fine.
Sir, how to tell straight line or not?
That's what I'm thinking. Will it be or not? It doesn't seem to me to be a straight line after turning. Not like that, I think.
Sir, in one plane it will be straight line, in the other it will be triangle only, sir.
No, in one plane it is straight line only, but in other plane also it will be straight line only. That's what you are saying?
No, sir. In another plane, triangle will be there, sir.
No, what are you talking about really? What is this point talking about?
Means after turning, sir. In
this
XY
also
plane,
it
we
is
get the triangle.
this is also triangle only in the beginning. It was a triangle in the beginning, and when we turn it, what it will turn into? What projection it will cause here?
It will cause another triangle, sir.
That is, I'm suspicious about that. That might not be true. Okay, let me think. If I take this thing here, and if I turn it on that side, and these distances are okay, I can think in this way. After it is turned into that, what is the base length, base distance? Base distance is at a distance of, let us say, a square plus b square another root. This is at a distance a. And what about the midpoint? Midpoint is at what distance from here of this? If I connect this point, imagine like this, that we were having, wait a second, let me go to the next page. If I look from the top view, let us look from the top view, it will be easy to understand why what we are doing here. From the top view, we will observe this thing here, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is one point, and this is another point here. This is a triangle. This AB is a triangle actually. It is a triangle. So it is something like this. At above A, we have a point C, and this is B here. So it is a triangle. But from the top, when we are looking at it, then A and C are coinciding in one place only. And the wire is at origin at O. Wire is at origin. And when we connect these here, then my point, we can find out this distance here. If it is A and it is this was, let us say from Y, it was distance A away, and it is, let us say, B, and the angles are known to us, then I can find out this side length. This side length is, let us say, something R. That R I know. What is the side length up to midpoint? That is another concern now. And if I turn it like this here, and I turn it like this here, and from here, I'm getting, let us say, here also I'm turning these points here. This point I'm turning, and this point I'm turning. And then when I join these 3 points, then it should be again a straight line. That is what we are thinking. Is it true or not? Whether these 3 points will again lie in the same straight line or not. So if I take this and I turn it here, and I take it and I turn it here, and this is C is already here. No worry about it. And it is very easy to tell where B lands up. B is at a distance of R. So that R also is known. So the midpoint, what was the distance of midpoint? And the distance of midpoint, is it R by 2? No, it is not R by 2 clearly. See, distance of the midpoint is not R by 2. Is it R by 2? It is not R by 2. Say something. Is it R by 2?
Yes, sir, it would be R by 2.
How? If it is R, how the midpoint will also be R by 2? Wait a second. If I look from the top, doesn't seem to me to be R by 2. I don't know what way you are saying it to be R by 2. In fact, not R by 2. Sorry, I was also saying wrong. It should not be R by 2. It should be just, if the closer distance is X and the farthest is R, then it should be somewhere at X plus R by 2. The midpoint should be at a distance of X plus R by 2. And midpoint is at what height above? Midpoint is at a height above H by 2. So I mean to say, if I take a, okay, do this, answer this question, then you will be understanding what will happen there. This is a line here. And this is the origin. This is A distance away. This is R distance away. And this is height H. This is 90 degree. This I'm connecting. Now, from the axis, if I take a perpendicular distance up to or take a plane here, take a horizontal plane which cuts this at a height H by 2. Where will this horizontal plane cut this line? Where will it cut this line here? And what will be the distance of it from here? What will be this distance means indirectly if I look from the top? What will be this distance? It will not be R by 2. How R, or it will not be R plus X by 2. Are you saying that it is R and it is X and it will be R plus X by 2?
Yes, sir.
How?
No, sir, it can.
How it will be R plus X by 2? Really? How is it R plus X by 2? Tell me.
Sir,
By what
consider only above half triangle, sir.
Which above half triangle?
With R by 2 as
In fact, I can prove it very easily if I take this triangle to be at 90 degrees from here. Let us say it is 90 degrees inclined from here. You are saying that if I take it here at this midpoint, then this, if it is R, it will be, will it be R by 2?
no, sir.
How are you even talking about? Not R by 2 also. I was saying R plus X by 2. How it will be R plus X by 2 also? It will not be R plus X by 2. It will be something else. It may not, this may not ultimately be forming a triangular shape there. It will not be forming a triangular shape here. Okay.
Sir, in rectangle case also not applicable, I think. In midpoint distances.
Rectangular case. What
Midpoint.
rectangular? What is the
Sir,
midpoint for
rectangle case, it will be
rectangular?
rectangle only.
This is the midpoint, and midpoint is also at a distance R. Every point is at a distance R, and when we turn it there, that all those points will also reach at a distance R. Every distance is reaching at R. And as far as these points, I'm not saying this midpoint will reach at the midpoint. This midpoint may not be reaching at the midpoint. It may be reaching somewhere else. But ultimately, this straight line BC will be converting into straight line.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we are not worried in this case. Here, the straight line is getting converted into straight line only. But in case of triangle, if I want to do that, then I will not be getting the triangle again. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Problem of triangle is more complicated. If I want to ask this question, I ask for the square plate by placing it parallel to y-axis or parallel to yz plane. But if I ask similar question by placing one triangular plate here, then I think I will not be in a position to ask, because that will be tougher question. Or maybe even if we can do, but it will not be easy to do at least. Although I think we can do, but I have to think about it how to do. Okay, but it will not
Sir,
be that
time's
easy.
up, sir.
Time is up. Okay, then fine. Okay, we end it here. Then tomorrow we'll start again. Okay. Today you have to, if you want to do something, don't touch anything like Lenz law. Lenz law, if you want to read theory, you can read. But other than that, only and only just flux-based question only. From SCV you can do maybe just based on the flux, finding out flux in different cases. Okay. Okay, then I am ending it here.